Hi guys, and welcome to this lesson. I want to show you some smooth chords you could use. I just want to take some inspiration from another song. Well, this is more like a hip hop song, so we have a lot of repetition. It's a loop basically. So we're taking inspiration from a loop and then applying that, taking those chords. I mean, the loop also samples based on another song, so it goes full circle. So the chords we're taking are the 4, 5, 1, and the 2, and I'm going to show you how to make them sound extra smooth, or how to play them big and fat. So the song is in the key of C sharp, but I want to show this in the key of C because it's absolutely way easier if you're just using white keys. So the one thing you need to do is stride with your left hand. So instead of playing a basic chord this way, so normal way you play an F would be F, A, C, right? But if you take the A from underneath and play it up top with your thumb, you get this. So do the same for the G. G normally play this way, right? If we take the third note, play it up top with the thumb, I mean take the B and play it up top, you get that. Same thing with the C. Same thing with the D minor. Take the D minor, play it up top. So if you're playing chords, the quickest way to start is to just use those large strides of chords. The next thing you want to do is add the 9, especially if you want to play them extra smooth. So the 9 is an extra smooth note. So the 9 is basically the 2 of the chord you're in. So in the key of F, right? The 2 is G. If you don't know the number system or you don't know your scale, just think of it as a whole tone up from the root. So if I'm playing in F, F is obviously my root, but go a whole tone up from F, I can land on G. So you want to take the same idea and move G upwards. So that means if I was playing F, my 9 is G because it's a whole tone up from F, right? Whole tone means going up 2 notes at 2 semitones. 1, 2. So then I'll take that and play that up top, both with my thumb. So the G and the A both with my thumb, and that's really full, okay? Do that for the G as well. So G would play it that way. I'd take the B up top. Now the 9, which is a whole tone up from G. That makes that chord. With C, I want to do the same thing. Take the E up top. Now the 9, D minor. I want to do the same thing. And add the 9, okay? Then now with the right hand, what we'll do is, now you've got 2 options. The left hand is covering so much richness, it allows the right hand to play like single notes and runs, and it won't sound as though it's lacking. Because normally if I was just playing F, it would sound quite empty, right? But if I'm playing, the right hand doesn't have to do much, and that's the beauty of it. Your right hand is there to add filling. So I want to show you the exact voicings I use with my right hand. So with my right hand, I simply extended it. Now I've taken the 9 and played it with my right hand, right? And then I played C, E, and G. For the G, I just literally added the 3, the D, and the 5 and the 1 top. It's slightly more complicated for my C. Again, maybe take away the 9 if I don't want it to sound too clouded. It's really a personal preference. So here I've got G, D, and E. For the other chord, I've got D minor this way. So again, left hand is always going to stay the same. I always have the 1, the 5, and the 3 up top. Sometimes I add the 9 where it fits. Right hand can play a number of voicings. I'll show you one really quick trick that is super neat. Is that on F you can take the C chord, right, and just play it as a shell chord, which means just play the outsides of it. So this is my C chord normally. So if I just play the outsides of my C chord, it would be C and G, right? No E. And I could straddle that on the piano by simply inverting it, taking the bottom note and putting it up top. Same with G. That's my shell chord for G, right? For C, I have two options. I could use my G, I could use C, shell chords. For D minor, I can use F. I could use C. I'm just using shell chords to just straddle across the piano. And lastly, just add some grace notes. And that's it, that's the formula, you know. Take it to another key now, take it to C sharp. And repeat. Yeah, and so on and so forth. I'm just going off the top. So I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you for watching.